Hey everyone, so today we are going to be playing, I have this Faux Impressions dimensional base coat. It's pretty much like Golden's or Liquitex's, like a sculpting medium that you can get. It's like a paste you put down, builds up texture and everything else. So that's what we're going to be playing with today. I'm going to place it down on this one, then put this one aside just to kind of show you what I'm doing, how I'm placing it down. Then I have another one that's already pre-prepped for you guys, so we can grab that one, take a look at it, and actually do a pour onto that one, which you can play with. Just to give you guys an idea of this texture, it feels like cake batter or frosting. So if you've ever frosted a cake, you probably will enjoy using something like this. But I'm just gonna get some texture going on, build it up, because I want this one, when it's dry, be a little bit crazier. So with this stuff, you can see how it just creates texture, creates a lot of fun, interesting stuff going on your canvas. See if I can. Alright, so I kind of like what's going on right there. So we're going to play with that. You can really have like a lot of fun with this stuff. Creating shapes, you can use it to create more like three-dimensional flowers. And I've done one pour over this stuff before and it turned out really cool, but the colors I chose in that one were kind of lackluster. I'm hoping that the colors I have today are going to be a little bit more vivid and a little bit more fun. So I'm just going to build up right here. Now when I was making the one that's preset, I didn't think about it, but now I'm looking at it, this would be very fun if you wanted to make like a three-dimensional kind of like textural cityscape using this stuff and using a pour method. Whether you're doing a flip cup or a dirty pour, which I think I'm going to do a dirty pour with that one for you guys. But just showing you how heavy it is, how thick that stuff is. I have the windows open today, so because I wanted the lighting, the dramatic lighting from the outside. Let's give it more of that like Venetian plaster kind of finish. I'm gonna come in with this spikier side, kind of draw it in. Alright, so I only have like probably a few more minutes before they start barking again. Just wanted to show you where it's at so far, and you can really build it up, play with the texture, create a lot of fun lines, something to pour over. You can create bigger shapes. Oh, don't start again, not yet. So, have some stuff down. Now you gotta let this sit for at least 24 hours so it hardens up. Let me move this out of the way and then I'll show you what we are going to be working on. And I might have to go into a voiceover if the dogs keep it up. But here we go. So, kept it simple for this. Laid down some lines. I have tape under here. Primed this all with white paint because I wanted to do the tape with the white underneath. So I can do a pour, and then I'm going to be pulling this tape back for you guys and playing around. Once it's dry, you can come in and lightly brush on top of these areas to create even more of like a three-dimensional effect. And with this one, I will be using that PBO, there we go, this stuff, the PBO GDO. afterwards. So when this is dry and I'm able to peel this back, Then you put the glue down, and you have to wait for this glue to dry and be clear, and it'll be very tacky. Then you can come back with the sheets, which I'll do all of that on the video for you guys. This one we're just going to do a pour on top of here, and we'll be back for video number 2 tomorrow when everything's done and dry. Put down that GDO for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna just time lapse the rest of this for you guys, and then see you guys at the end. So I had enough paint left over, and I still have more that I'm probably going to do some more tiles with. But I decided to do a flip cup with the rest, which came out really cool. I'm loving that mix of the COLORSHIFT purple, the kimono violet, and this hyper blue from Sherwin-Williams in here with that LUKAS CRYL silver bronze coming through. I wanted a little bit of warmth. I didn't want it too gold. I didn't want it too silver. Just wanted to add a little warmth. I have the other one on my little drying space right now. So when that's dry, I can show you guys the texture and take off the tape for you guys, and then we'll be doing the PBO, GDO stuff on here. This really fun gold leafing kind of look. Let me get the rest of this stuff cleaned up, and don't forget to hit like, share, comment, check out all my little sites, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye.